today's task is lighting up this guy. So we have got some Irani flexi tube. The homeowners already run some low voltage wire in here. So we got our flexi tube right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna strap it along the bottom of the bench on this side, the bottom of the bench on this side, and then in there's a little electrical panel. We're going to mount our dimmable driver, our caseta, so it's all going to be controlled from a smartphone or a little Pico remote, and then we'll get this all lit up because right now there's no light in here.
Alright, Irani provides these small little clips that are perfect for the flexi tube. So they just kind of clip right on there, hold it in place. So we need to screw these clips underneath the bench. And it's important when doing lighting to make sure it's uniform. So we want to make sure the clips are lined up perfectly the same measurement off the bench. So when the light actually hits the floor and underneath the bench, it looks the same.
Our next step is to wire up our dimmable driver. We have the low voltage wire that you saw earlier. Come right under there. So we've wired up our low voltage side. This is a separate compartment for low voltage. And then up here we have our high voltage that we've wired up as well. So what we're going to do is run our NMWU. Again, this is for outdoor, but we're using it indoor. That's fine. You can't do it the other way around, but this is fine. We're just going to do a little jumper into our switch, which will be the caseta. So wire that in. We're going to jump from here off of our panel plug, and we're good to go. Got our wire clipped down nicely. Our caseta on and off, and the driver. So good. Actually, I'm letting down another clip right there. But for the most part, it looks amazing.